guys, so I just did my fidget haul right now, so all my fidgets are here. Go check out that video. I actually missed one, so we're gonna open that. I missed a mini poppet. Okay, let's see it, guys. Bad side, I'm guessing. Good side. You would definitely always win in the poppet game. I love mini poppets. They're so cute. Guys, if you haven't already, go check out my fidget haul. Please. I just need one more subscriber, then we're gonna have 20 subscribers. Come on, you can make it, guys. Just one more. That'll be my biggest goal ever. I love this mini poppet. I'm gonna pop it like this. Then I'm gonna pop it back. How cute it is, and it's a little keychain so you can hang out on your backpack or anything like that. So, yeah, I'm actually probably gonna hang that on my backpack. Should I, guys? It will make it look cute. I don't want to play with my, use my backpack though. I don't know. Well, I have a ton of new fidgets. Go check out that fidget haul. Bye!